Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to discuss about important places in Chambal division. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get started. So as we all know, Chambal division was formed in the year 1980. So ये basic सा fact है. Now looking at important places in Chambal division, so starting with Shivpur Fort. Okay, and how many districts are there in Chambal division? There are 3 districts. Okay, one is Bhind, second one is Morena, and third one is Shivpur. Okay, so Shivpur Fort, it is, although not many evidence are found for the ruler who built this fort, but one fact which is associated with this fort is that a famous poet named Khadag Rai, in his work गोपांचल सागा. ओके, सो ये फैक्ट आप याद रखना कि गोपांचल सागा किसने लिखी थी. सो इट वाज रिटन बाय खडग राय. ओके, डिक्लेयर्ड दैट नराशा दिस वाज अ क्लैन एंड अ किंग नेम्ड अजयपाल डिक्लेयर्ड शिवपुर एज हिज कैपिटल. ओके, सो ये इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट है कि विच किंग डिक्लेयर्ड शिवपुर एज हिज कैपिटल. सो अजयपाल डिक्लेयर्ड शिवपुर एज हिज कैपिटल. और अगर ये पूछ लेते हैं कि वो किस डायनेस्टी का था, तो dynasty is Narasha dynasty. Okay, now another fact which we are going to look at is Alauddin Khilji gained control over this fort in the year 1301. So Alauddin Khilji PSC का फेवरेट है और कई बार इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछ चुका है. So Alauddin Khilji has also history with this fort, and Alauddin Khilji defeated Hamir Dev. Okay, he was the then ruler of Shivpur Fort. Now, again in 1489, Mahmud Khilji brought it under Malwa Sultanate. Okay, so अगर PSC पूछता है कि ruler brought the Shivpur Fort under the Malwa Sultanate, so your answer will be Mahmud Khilji. Okay, so this is important. और एक और फैक्ट जो इस फोर्ट के साथ जुड़ा है, दैट इज शेर शाह सूरी ने ये फोर्ट कैप्चर करा था इन द ईयर 1592. ओके, एंड कई बार पीएससी कमांडर्स के नाम भी पूछता है. तो शेर शाह का जो बेटा था इस्लाम शाह, उसका कमांडर का नेम था मुनाबर खां. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वन फैक्ट यू कैन कीप इन माइंड. ओके, सो दीज वर ऑल द फैक्ट्स विच वर रिलेटेड टू शिवपुर फोर्ट. ओके, सो दिस मेक्स इट ऑल द वेरी मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. नाउ let's look at another important temple, that is the Vankhandeshwar temple. Okay, Vankhandeshwar temple, please bear with my pronunciation. So it was built by Prithviraj. This is very important. Okay, the famous Prithviraj Chauhan in the year 1175 AD. And where is it situated? It is located in Bhind district. So this is a very important point. Okay, you have to keep this in mind that Vankhandeshwar temple was built by the famous ruler Prithviraj Chauhan. Now let's take a look at Gohad Fort. So another important archaeological place, and it was built by Jat ruler Rana Singh Dev. So बस इतना ही याद रखना है आपको कि who built the Gohad Fort? It was built by Rana Singh Dev. और एक चीज़ और आप ये याद रख सकते हो, where is Gohad Fort? It is in Bhind. Okay, now let's look at Renuka temple. So as we all know, religious and tourist places clearly mentioned in our syllabus. So this makes it all the more important. And one fact which is associated with Renuka temple is that it is considered as birthplace of Parashuram. Okay, please bear with the spelling. It is Parashuram. So ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है कि which temple is associated with the birthplace of Parashuram? So it is Renuka temple. Another fort which we find in this Chambal region is Ater Fort. So the history associated with is that it was an ancient kingdom named Bhadavar, and it find its mention in Mahabharat period. Okay, so this is all the more important. और इससे जो फोर्ट से फैक्ट है दैट युधिष्ठिर ऑर्गेनाइज a yagya in this place, and it is also situated in Bhind. Now last fact which we have to look in for this Chambal division is Kakanmat temple. Okay, so Kakanmat temple is located in Morena. This is very important. PSC can directly ask in which district is Kakanmat temple. So it is located in Morena district, and it was built by Gurjar Pratihara king. Okay, so with this we come to the end of this video, quick video looking at some very important places which are present in Chambal division. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.